Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Hello students, my name is Sanjay Jain. In this lecture on pair of linear equations in two variables, we will solve the questions using cross multiplication method, right? First we will understand what is cross multiplication method and then we will solve some of the questions. Now in the last lecture we studied about elimination method. This is cross multiplication method is just the extension of the logic that we used in the elimination method. Why? Because let us say if I write the two equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. Okay. These are two standard linear equations in two variables, where we know that a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0. Also a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. This is very well understood, right, because we discussed in the very first lecture. Alright. So, if we need to solve, let us say, these two equations using elimination method that we just finished in the last exercise, then I will have to equate the coefficients of one of the variables. So, let me equate the coefficients of x. To equate coefficients of x, I will have to multiply this equation by a2 and this one by a1. Now, this will become a1 a2x plus b1 a2y plus c1 a2 equals 0. And if I multiply this equation by a1, this will become a1 a2x plus a1 b2y a1 c2 equals 0. Now you notice that the coefficient of x has been equated. Now if I subtract, this will cancel out, y common, b1 a2 minus b2 a1 or a1 b2, okay, plus c1 a2 minus a1 c2 is equal to 0. Hence y is equal to, if I take it on the other side, right, then the signs, this sign will become positive and this sign will become negative. So, it will become a1 c2 minus a2 c1. This a2 c1 is nothing but c1 a2, right? a2 c1 or c1 a2, one and same thing. Why I am writing it like this? Just so it becomes easier for you to memorize a1 c2 minus a2 c1. It sounds symmetric, right? a1 c2 minus a2 c1 divided by this term here, b1 a2 minus a1 b2, right? Now this is value of y, okay. If I can get this same value of y using a shortcut method where I do not have to multiply these equations, equate the coefficients and then cancel out, if I directly can get this value, right, that is my cross multiplication method, right. I will just tell you that method, but before that you should also appreciate that this denominator should not be equal to 0, right. So, a1 b2 minus a2 b1 should not be equal to 0. Again I have changed these signs. I can write it like this also, minus a1 b2 plus a2 b1, which is this same term. This should not be equal to 0, or I can change the signs also. This should not be equal to 0. Why? Because the denominator will become 0 then, and then it will not be defined. Okay. And when was it equal to 0? You compared the coefficients a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2. Now you see, if I cross multiply these, a1 b2 is equal to a2 b1. Remember that? This was a situation when we did not have a unique solution, right. So, by cross multiplication method I am looking for a unique solution only. So, this denominator should be non-zero, hence this should not be equal to this, alright. This is one thing. Now, similarly I can get value of x by eliminating y from these equations. How do I do that? By equating the coefficients of y. I'll multiply this equation by b2, this by b1, and I'll get a value of x in this form, right. Now is the time for cross multiplication method. If you write these coefficients like this, b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, and then you write b1, b2 again, okay. You just write x here, y and 1 here. Now you multiply b1, c2, b2, c1, c1, a2, c2, a1, a1, b2, a2, b1. This is cross multiplication, right? So, x divided by b1, c2 minus b2, c1, b1, c2 and then minus b2, c1 is equal to y divided by c1, a2 minus c1, c2, a1, and it is equal to 1 divided by a1, b2 minus a2, b1, that is this, okay. So, this is how we will work out these problems now. So, what is value of y? Y will be equal to, I will use these two, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Have you seen this kind of expression somewhere? Yes, this one. You can change these signs to look at exactly same like this. This is c1 a2 minus c2 a1. This is c2 a1 minus c1 a2, right. Similarly, the signs of the denominator will also be changed. This is a1 b2 minus b2, a1 b2 minus a2 b1, right. This is b1 a2 minus a1 b2, okay. This is exactly the same like this. If you change the, you can write this as a1 c2 minus a2 c1 divided by, now you need to change the signs of denominators also, b1 a2 minus b2 a1. Now this is exactly same like this, okay. So for this you didn't have to put that effort that you put in elimination method, you directly got this value, right. So this is value of y by using cross multiplication method. Similarly, you can get value of x, which is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this will be value of x, this will be value of y, and you don't have to memorize this formula, right. While using the cross multiplication method, we will just write the coefficients in this form and then directly come up with the equations, okay.